Hong Kong, we're back! This is our second time here, but this trip hits different because we're staying in Chuen Wan. For our very first day in Hong Kong, I'm taking you around the Chuen Wan area where locals eat, walk, and live their everyday lives. From quick food stops to neighborhood vibes, let's see what kind of energy Chuen Wan brings. Come with me!
Ito yung itsura no Hong Kong Express. Dating dito sa before mag-immigration, magbabas pa na going to the immigration. Finally, super dali lang no immigration process pag family of four, no?
Yeah.
Tinanong lang yung names nila. Sa akin nga hindi na tinanong yung name ko eh. We just said we're a family of four, tapos binigyan na kami ng permit to stay for 10 days. We withdraw si daddy, wala pa kami pera. Diyan, meron dyan. Malapit ng 7-Eleven. Pero actually, nagpapalit na kami ng konti sa Sandries. Just in case, wala lang kami ma-withdrawhan. Para, di ba, may panggastos na kami for one day. Pero, better daw mag-withdraw sa ATM.
We arrived in Hong Kong around 4 a.m. kasi red-eye flight yung nakuha namin kaya we opted to buy our octopus card dito na lang sa airport. It's cheaper kapag sa Klook ka and more convenient kaso yung Klook counter nag-open around 6 a.m. pa and we don't want to wait for too long. Kaya dito na lang kami bumili ng octopus card.
Nasaan? There's Twix salted caramel.
Snickers strawberry.
Yeah.
And malok.
Ganito yung mga gusto namin, yung mga kakaiba.
Mami.
Snickers strawberry and kakaiba yung mga chocolates dito.
Malok
Ano
is
po yun?
caramel cold brew
Chocolates.
na
M&M's.
Caramel what?
Cold brew.
Caramel cold brew? Oo nga, no? Look at how McDonald's look like sa airport. Ooh, let's try this. McGriddle. Ano siya? Parang pancake na. Pancake burger. And look, may M pa. Nating coffee. Ang cute to, may melody.
Lasang milk tea yun. Yung binili natin. Nasa milk? Tikman niyo para sa Taiwan. Hindi mo type.
Tikman natin to. McGriddle. Parang pancake yung bread niya.
Sarap po.
Chewy yung pancake, no?
Sarap ng pancakes.
Mami, I don't like it.
Why? Taste mo.
Pancake.
It's good.
Sarap ko yung pancake. Sino yung pinakaya mong member?
Today, may drizzle. Look, ang taga-karga namin ng maleta is si Kuya.
Hindi na ako yung nagkakarga. It's moving by itself.
Okay. Magbabas kami going to our hotel, Panda Hotel. May bus stop na talaga yung hotel, kaya mas convenient mag-bus. Yan, ito yung bus terminal.
Yun o.
Dito ba?
Malamig pala. Malapit na ba?
Ito na. Ayun na. Ayun yung mga buses.
The last time we visited Hong Kong was years ago, so you might be wondering why did we decide to come back now? Originally, we were planning a trip to South Korea to experience snow, but with limited time and the need to apply for a visa, we had to rethink our plans. That's when Hong Kong made perfect sense. It's visa-free for Filipinos, flights were more affordable, especially when we discovered Hong Kong Express. And it's only less than 2 hours from Manila, which means less travel fatigue. We also love traveling in a cooler weather, and January in Hong Kong is cold enough to enjoy without being extreme. Plus, if you know us, you know food always plays a big role in our trips. We've always loved Hong Kong food, and we were curious to see how much it has changed over the years. So, in this video, we're taking you along as we discover Hong Kong from the flights, the
Station.
weather, and of course, the food.
The Yan Chai Hospital. And look, kung ano yung nasa tapat niya. It's our hotel. That one, Panda Hotel. Ooh, wow. This is the Panda Hotel. Ito yung binook namin ni Daddy na hotel. Very convenient. Kasi may bus stop na. And may mall sa tapat. From the airport, magbabas ka lang. Bababa ka, dito na.
Our flight was super early and we arrived in Hong Kong at around 4 o'clock a.m. Since it was really too early to check in, we grabbed a quick breakfast at McDonald's because nothing says travel mode like McDonald's at dawn. After that, we headed straight to Panda Hotel to leave our bags. Check-in wasn't until 3 p.m. so we had plenty of time to explore the area. One thing we immediately loved about the hotel is how convenient it is. There's actually a mall inside the same building with lots of shops, cafes, restaurants, fast food options, and even a grocery store. Everything you need is literally just steps away, which is perfect after an early flight.
Supermarket. Okay. We'll check this out later. Tindahan ng mga perfumes. Close pa pero merong milk tea shop na malapit.
Let's try.
Passion fruit.
Meron ding mall sa tapat ng Panda Hotel named Smartland and ang daming restaurants dito. Would you believe 3 times namin kinainan itong Cafe 100 kasi nagustuhan namin and pati mga kids gustong gusto dito.
The other side is tomato. Oh, dapat ganito yung itry mo yung mga breakfast place ng Hong Kong.
40.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Mga champoy. Ito, mga costume. Ah,
What's the temperature?
ang lamig.
Oh.
It's already 11:30 a.m. and
Yeah.
malamig. Grabe. Perfect time to go to Hong Kong. Comfy yung weather talaga.
Not too hard, just
Yeah. Ayun, Cafe de Coral.
When we travel, we always look for the kind of food Hong Kong people actually eat every day, not tourist food. So for our first lunch in Hong Kong, we decided to try Cafe de Coral. If you've been to Hong Kong before, you've probably seen this place everywhere because they have so many branches across the city. And this one that we visited was in Chuen Wan area, just near our hotel, so it's super convenient. Cafe de Coral is famous because it perfectly represents everyday Hong Kong comfort food. It's fast, affordable, and very local. This is where students, office workers, and families go for a quick, satisfying meal. For our orders, we tried a mix of their best sellers. We had their barbecue set. I ordered the scallop rice bowl. And for the kids, we got the pork cutlet with curry, which they absolutely enjoyed. We were also surprised by how good their coffee and milk tea were. Simple but really comforting. Honestly, this is the kind of place we'd keep coming back to if we had more time in Hong Kong. It's easy, filling, and gives you a real taste of local Hong Kong food culture.
Nandito kami sa area nung malapit sa City Walk. Para siyang mga high-end condos na may park.
Community garden.
Oh, this is Chuen Wan Park. Chuen Wan Park Community Garden. Here's my baby boy.
Hi!
Yan. Ganda dito.
Oo nga.
We're walking para i-burn lahat ng kinain namin sa Cafe de Coral. Sarap siya. Ang daming locals na kumakain. It's not too expensive and masarap yung food.
Yini mo, Mark. Ma, yini. Don't Mark.
Look at me. Yeah. Parang Don Donkey.
Can you buy?
What are you going to buy there? Huh?
Maybe matcha.
Oh, Beans Bakery. Look at what's inside the mall. Ito, ang daming kainan. This is called the OP Mall. Oh, puro stores pa rin. Wow, sobrang daming kainang restaurants dito. Punta daw kami sa Don Donkey. Right?
Yeah.
What are you going to buy there? Food again.
Yeah.
There is the lunch. There's Karayama and Gindako Takoyaki. What? So, grabe, super daming food. Grabe.
My
Kakainin niyo ba sa hotel yan? Di ba?
Yes. Oh, wow, malak.
Mahirap na may kasamang gastosera.
Cocoa and then
This one! Ito yung nahanap namin. Si Go-Go Curry.
spicy.
But it looks super spicy nga. Wala bang non-spicy?
There's cheese.
Oh, there's cheese.
Here. Ah, never mind.
Grabe, nung nag-Japan kami, ito yung pinakagusto naming curry. Let's buy one.
Let's buy two.
Sobrang dami Nakakalito na kung anong bibilin mo, no? So, sobrang dami. Sabi mo kay daddy. Go. 50% off.
Yeah.
Go, we get it.
How many?
How about the Kit Kat orange?
They're chocolate no. With this oatmeals.
Ito, masarap to, Kit Kat.
It was almost 3 p.m. kaya check-in time na sa Panda Hotel. Pagod na rin kami and sobrang puyat. Kaya buti na lang may malapit na bus station dito sa mall na pinuntahan namin. And may katapat lang na bus station yung Panda Hotel kaya very convenient. Yun lang, I hope you loved our mini 2-in-1 tour. Click the subscribe button for more travel tips and food trips.